Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we'll be talking about how to debug formulas in Excel sheet with simple F9 key. Let's begin.
Let us consider a cell where values is being calculated using a formula and the formula is large enough. In this case, we are using a cell D13. To know the formula which has been used in the cell D13, we can either refer to the header which has been available over here. Okay. While if not, we can either double click over the cell or press F2 button. So this is a formula which is being used in the cell to calculate the value. We just press the escape button to go back. Okay. What we see is that the value which has been calculated by the formula is not correct, and now we need to identify in which section the values is going wrong. So instead of going deep drilling down to each individual cell which has been used for calculating the value, we can categorize our formulas into different sections and can identify whether the value section is giving the correct value or not. Let's see how. Uh, Let us consider the section this. Okay, we have selected the section. Now press F9 button. F9 is a shortcut key. F9. By on pressing F9, we get the value of the cell of the formula which is used over the cell. And looking over it, we can get a glimpse of the idea whether the values which is being shown over here is something which we were expecting, is too deviated from that value or not. We definitely not be knowing the exact value over here, but we can either identify that even if we are closer to the value which we were expecting or not. Okay, just let's go back by clicking over the escape button. I'm coming over here again. Now I'm just looking over the average value. Okay, I see the average values by clicking F9, 162.5, and I see that there is something wrong in which has been coming up in the average value. So I know the place where I just need to work more on these cell values and need to check my values for getting the exact answers. Okay? But we need to make sure that while we are using this formula, we are selecting the complete cell or section which is a formula. Okay. In this section itself, I've just missed or I've just dropped this parenthesis column, this typo, and I've just pressed F9. Okay. We are getting an error message that the formula you have selected has an error. It means because we have just missed this parenthesis. Now, just as say, if we will select this parenthesis and we'll be clicking on F9, then the formula has been calculated. So we just need to make sure that we are selecting the complete formula while using the shortcut F9. And this F9 key will help us in drilling down to the individual section of the formulas instead of just uh, letting user to go to each individual cell values and calculate them whether the values which has been used in the formulas are coming properly or not. So we can save our time and can look effectively on our output in very minimal number of time. So we can save our time by just effectively looking over the respective section which needs our input or which needs to be taken care of instead of just completely drilling. Hope you really like this video. If you really like it, press the like button, share your opinions and views in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.